Yo, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today we have another unboxing and review. Let's go. Alrighty, guys, so yes, we do have another unboxing for you guys today. These things did just arrive at my doorstep, so we are going to check these things out. I'm going to give you my initial impressions and what I overall think of this pair of, I don't even know if you can call it shoes, they're slides, but you guys already knew that from the thumbnail, so I'm not surprised in anything. So let's get right into it. Let's unbox these things. I don't want to show you my address, so be careful with what I'm showing here. Should just take one cut on the box here. Boom, boom. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I didn't want to show you guys my address, but the packing slip just dropped out from JD Sports. But yes, guys, we have the Yeezy slides in the pure colorway. I went with a size 12 right here. You guys can see down there. Yeah, size 12 on these bad boys. I have no idea. This is my first pair of slides. I've never bought one, never had the desire to buy them, but these things are so popular, I figured I'd check them out, see if, see if I'm a slides guy or not. But let us open it up. Okay. All right. Not much to see here. Not much to see here. It is literally just a slide. That's what it is. A flip-flop, a slide, whatever you guys want to call it. I mean, I don't even know how people are reviewing these things. It's literally just EVA foam, with the Adidas logo right there. There's actually no Yeezy branding on these things. Oh, is there? There is on the inside, actually. That's going to be impossible for me to show you guys. Yeah, I figured that would be really tough for you guys to see. I doubt you guys can see it in there, but it literally just says, on the inside it says, geez, I can barely even read it right here. It just says Yeezy made in China 12, and then like whatever size you got. So 12 US is what mine says on here. But yeah, guys, I mean, come on, this thing is so simple. Are these things worth the hype? I mean, apparently they're really comfortable, but to be honest, they look kind of small for what my feet are. I normally wear a size 11.5 or 12 in any type of shoe, but I heard these things run really small. Thing is, I'm not even gonna be wearing these things. I just got these things. I will be selling them. Yes, call me a reseller, call me whatever you want, but how am I going to pass these things up, man? I mean, you pay $70 for a slide, right? Pay $70 for these things, and now they're going for like 150, 140, 150. I'll throw it up on the screen, whatever they're going for right now on StockX, Fake X. But yeah, I mean, how can you pass up doubling your money? You know what I mean? Just by buying one pair of these things. I tried to get multiple pair. I also tried to get the Onyx. No luck there. I couldn't get those things, but we got these. Like I said, I mean, yeah, the size tag had fallen off, but here you go, Yeezy slide. But yeah, man, I mean, come on, what do you guys think about these things? Apparently, like I said, they're really comfortable. I mean, stretchy. The actual foam itself does feel comfortable. I can imagine these things are like clouds on your feet. They're slides. You can't go wrong with slides. They're gonna be comfortable, and really, there's nothing else to review here. That's pretty much it. All right, guys. So please let me know what you guys think about the Yeezy slides. Do you guys have a couple pairs? Do you have any pairs? Are they comfortable? What size do you guys normally wear in Yeezy slides? If they do run super small or whatever, let people know down in the comments section if people are asking. And that's pretty much it for me, guys. Just a quick little unboxing of the Yeezy slides. Like I said, not gonna be a review, man. It's just they're slides. There's not like too much involved with them. They're pretty simple, straight pure colorway. It's just an all foam shoe. You know what I mean? So yeah, let me know what if you guys picked them up or whatnot down below. If you guys did enjoy this video and want to see more like it, make sure you guys smash that thumbs up button. Also subscribe to the channel because we are pumping out a lot of content on here recently. And also make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you do not miss another one of my videos. And that's gonna do it for me, guys. My name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill, and I'm out. Peace.